สวยอืม Pasti kalah.
And a warm welcome on what is a fine day for football. Perfect playing conditions. Guy Mowbray with you for commentary. Delighted to be joined by Sue Smith. And everything is set up nicely to give us a really good match. It's Manchester City and they take on Real Madrid.
Well, thanks, guys. Great to be here. I think it's going to be a really good game today. Both teams will be well up for it, so hopefully we're in for a treat.
Torres. Makalele. Andrea Pirlo. Opportunity now. Oh, it's in! An early opener to get the game going.
Well, here we can see it again, and he just hits this so sweetly. You knew as soon as he connected with it that this was going in.
Ronaldo. Pirlo. Torres.
Apa sih Torres?
Andrea Pirlo.
Aduh, sinyalku.
Oh, a great chance. And that one goes out and away. Rivaldo. Torres. It's in! Two to the good. That little bit of bumper. And it's just a matter of keeping concentration now.
Swish.
2-0.
Anjay.
Zanetti.
Salah coy.
Bellingham. Ronaldo. Raheem. Real unable to retain possession. The danger averted for now. Promising looking attack from City.
Ay,
Careless play from
Salah.
City there.
sinyalku bro.
Raheem. Now Bellingham.
Sinyalku bro.
Javier Zanetti.
Sinyalku bro.
Fernando Torres. And on that whistle, the first half comes to an end. Ball rolling again, with Real Madrid left with a mountain to climb in this second half.
Aduh, sinyalnya tidak meyakinkan.
Chance to get back in this. Oh, they needed that, and they're not out of this one yet.
Sinyal asu sekali. Ronaldo.
Here's the replay, and he does well to find space, but you'd always expect him to score from that sort of range.
So it's 2-1 as the ball gets rolling again. Rivaldo. Pirlo. Sit now, he's in. And away it goes. Andrea Pirlo. Fernando Torres. And they've scored again. Andrea Pirlo.
Mana lagi yang kosong?
City pushing forward with options available.
Pirlo, Rizal hancur.
Opportunity here. And there it is. He's doubled up for the day.
Well, if we watch this again, it's all about the run. You've got to question the defending, but I don't want to take anything away from his superb individual goal.
And away we go again at 3-2. And 10 minutes of play remain. No problem at all in keeping that one out. Jude Bellingham.
Well, just listen to the atmosphere in here. It's been such a close game, really competitive, and the fans are...
And the final whistle wraps up a game that's gone the way of Manchester City.
Yeah, both teams give out.